Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video on Flipgrid. It's pretty fun and easy to submit videos on Flipgrid. It also supports the ability of learners to import their own videos as well. Go click open a web browser or your Flipgrid application and log into your account. After you logged in, if you want to upload a video in one of the groups you've created, click the group open and from this page. You can only upload a video if you've created a topic. Once you create a topic, go to the three dots right next to your topic and click it on from the expanded menu. Click on Record your response. Allow Flipgrid to use your microphone and your camera by clicking on Allow at the top left. After selecting Record your response, you can now import your own custom video on Flipgrid. Once the camera has been popped out on the display, go and click on the circle at the bottom of the pop-up in order to record a video. After you're done recording, click Next. Now, review your video. You can trim the video by dragging the slider towards the video part that you'd like to use after you're done trimming. Click on Confirm if you'd like to add more to your video. Click on the Add More button and record your video. If you click on Add More, the video will start recording right where it was left off. Finally, after you're done, click on the Next button at the bottom right and now enter the display name for your video. Attach a link, type in the description for your video. Choose a cover image for your video by clicking on the select frame. Make any edits if you want by clicking on Edit Video and you'll be able to go back to the video to make your edits. After you're done with everything, click on Submit and wait until your video gets uploaded. After you're done, click on Then and you have successfully uploaded a video. In one of your topics on Flipgrid, once anyone views your video, you'll be able to see the number of views right below your name and your topic. That is how you can easily upload a video on Flipgrid. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.